Hi guys, welcome to Step Up Lives. This video is going to be a helpful as resourceful video for people who are looking to kickstart their careers in coding, want to learn new technologies, and that too without investment, and especially from sources like Microsoft. This video will give you a set of around 3,000 plus courses that are freely available on the Microsoft Learn portal. If you're new to the channel, then subscribe with the bell icon that you see on the screen. Hopefully you will get something very much useful during this video. Let's quickly get on to the video where we'll talk about Microsoft Learn portal. Link is there in the description, you can check it out. Quickly going on how this portal works, you can actually find out a lot of learning path modules. For example, I'm someone who's looking to pursue my career in Azure fundamentals. What I can do is I can click over it and look at the material as well as the links that are there. Quickly moving on to the start option where you will find Azure fundamentals, what is the weightage, what is the concept, learning objectives, everything. Then they are hinting you to the next topic where maybe cloud computing, where you get a video, you get all resourceful information here. This information, everything is available completely free on the Microsoft Learn portal. This portal is quite a bit of resourceful information. We thought this is very much essential for people who are wanting to pursue their career and tech, who should actually go through it. A lot of information are available. You could also search some of the things which are relevant to you. For example, if you're looking for something like Python or something like a topic which is related to Python Windows, you will find resourceful information all along this website. You can check all this information in the description, and if you like this video, then definitely share it with your friends. Thank you so much, and bye bye.